My dear, I am Rakesh Chaubey from Sunbeam Sun City. Jai Hind you all. Now the next topic is reflection from convex mirror. Convex mirror. So to show the relation between R and F. Now I will do it with the convex mirror. In my earlier video I have done with the concave mirror. So my dear, here when I am doing with the convex mirror, to show the relation between R and F, let us draw the convex mirror first. So you all know that convex mirror, when we are drawing, the convex mirror we draw like this, in which the inner surface is polished. So inner surface is polished, this is polished, and outer surface is reflecting. Earlier we have done concave mirror where the outer one is polished and inner surface was reflecting. But in the case of convex mirror, the inner surface is polished, right? Please make a note of this through my video, through my lecture. What is concave, what is convex? Those students who don't know even right now this also. So the convex mirror, the inner is polished, the outer is reflecting, whereas in concave, the outer was polished and inner was reflecting. Okay. Now the next step, this is the pole of the mirror at the center, and the straight line passing through the pole is called principal axis. So here I will write principal axis. Principal axis. Okay. Now my dear, the ray of light will come from, because object is always to the left. So the ray of light will come and will incident here. This is the incident ray. Let this ray is given name A here, and it incident at point M. You can see my concave cases, concave mirror case, I have taken the same alphabets. And this point M, I am writing here. Now this incident ray will be reflected here, like this. You can see, because why it is reflecting here, why it's not reflecting here? यहाँ reflection नहीं होगा, यहाँ reflection क्यों होगा? In concave the reflection was here, but in convex reflection is there. Why? Because convex mirror is a diverging mirror and concave mirror was a converging mirror. So concave mirror mein reflection takes place on this side. The incident ray going this, reflection is coming here, that is converge. But in case of convex mirror, the incident ray is going like this, it will diverge the ray. So the reflected ray will be like this, that is diverging. So this is what actually is the sense, please take care. Most of the students doing like this only. But my dear, it's a diverging mirror. Convex mirror is a diverging mirror. Make a note of that. So now this reflected ray will pass through the, principal focus, F. And here is a pole. Why this will pass through the focus? Because sir, it is an incident ray. So after reflection, it will pass through the focus. Only the thing is that now the focus is on that side. Why? Because the face of the mirror is on that side. You can see the mirror is facing on this side. So earlier also in my concave mirror video, I told you that if mirror is facing this side, so pole, the focus and center of curvature will be on this side. But now in convex mirror, the face of the mirror is on that side. You can see. So focus and the center of curvature will be on all that side. Okay. So here I have drawn focus. Now do one thing. Let us extend this incident ray inside. I can do that. I can produce the incident ray. So this is produced incident ray. And why I am doing, I will show you, because I have to mark angle, and therefore I mark, because the ray is here and reflection is taking place on this area. So I'm producing incident ray so that I can mark the angle easily, and you will understand with the previous topic. Okay. Now my dear, let us draw the center of curvature. So you all know center of curvature, the ray will be called normal ray, because I told you any ray passing through center of curvature is nothing but radius, and the radius always be act as a normal to the mirror. So this is the center of curvature. This ray is going straight, and say it is meeting at point C. This is called normal ray. So the reflection on this will be on the same path, whereas this is your incident ray and this is your refracted ray. So here I am writing refracted ray. So you can see incident ray, you can see normal ray, you can see refracted ray. Now my dear, assume that here this is the normal, the angle made by incident ray is I. So this is a normal and this is the normal and this is the incident ray making angle I. So here also this is the normal and this is produced incident ray. Here also it is angle I. You can see vertically opposite also. Opposite also. But you can use in your brain also कि sir ये incident ray है और ये normal ray है. So यहाँ it make angle I. If I produce incident ray like this and normal is this only, so again here also it is I. Now same, here is your angle R, because this is your reflected ray, this one. You can see this is your reflected ray, that is MF. So this and this is your normal ray, so this is your angle R. So I hope angle I and angle R is clear. Similarly, let the normal ray make an angle of alpha. Let the normal ray make an angle of alpha. You can see normal ray making an angle of alpha with the principal axis. Similar manner as what I have done here in the previous topic. So my dear, what will be the derivation for this topic? Again, from figure, I am writing start here. From figure, angle I is equal to angle R according to law of reflection. This is your one equation. Second equation, since angle I and angle R are equal, and you can see line AM is parallel, line AM parallel to line PC from figure. Line AM is parallel to line PC. I hope it is clear. Or you can say line AM which is produced. So I am writing here line AM produced parallel to line PC. So what is it? Because of that? Because of that, so sir, angle you can write here A dash. Because here it is A, here A dash. Therefore angle A dash MC. A dash MC is how much? Angle I, and that is equal to angle MC, and here it is P, MCP, that is equal to alpha, angle alpha. Right? Why? Because line AM, or you can say line AA dash, line AA dash is parallel to line PC. You can see. So angle A dash MC, that is I, is equal to MCP, that is alpha. Right? Why? That is by which angle test? Alternate angle. So my dear, if angle I is equal to angle alpha, that is angle I is equal to angle alpha, this is our equation number 2. So from 1 and 2, angle I is equal to angle R and angle I is equal to angle alpha. Therefore, angle R is equal to angle alpha. Equation number 3. है ना? I और R equal है, I and alpha भी equal है. So R and alpha become equal. This is your equation number 3. I hope you understood this much. Now, if I said this angle R is equal to this angle alpha, so I can say in the previous also the angle R, this angle R is equal to this angle alpha. It means this side is equal to this side. That is, therefore, here I can write the side FM is equal to side FC. FM is equal to FC. You can see. Because why? Since angle R is equal to angle alpha. So if the angle are equal, the sides by isosceles triangle, the side are equal, that is the side MF and side FC are equal. Earlier also I did in my concave mirror case. Okay. Now my dear, from figure you can see how much is the distance from P to F. Since P to F are measuring in the same direction of the incident ray, now it is plus F. And from P to C, it is also in the same direction of the incident ray, it will be plus R in the figure. So now my dear, my next assumption, you all understood FM is equal to FC because R and alpha are equal. Now the next step, my dear, you all know that, as I said, the aperture of the mirror is very small. Aperture of the mirror is very small. So here I will write, since the aperture of mirror is small. So what is the meaning of this? If aperture is small, the M and the P or any point on the mirror will be close to each other. The M, P are very close to each other. So since the aperture of mirror is small, hence point M and point P are close to each other. Right? I hope you are understanding. So if this M and P are close, तो जितना distance F से M होगा, उतना ही डिस्टेंस F से P होगा. I'll repeat, जितना डिस्टेंस F से M होगा, F to M, उतना ही डिस्टेंस F से P होगा because M and P are very close. So therefore, side FM is equal to side FP. Since why? Point M and point P are, here I am writing, why? Since point M and point P are close to each other. I am writing the reason. In the exam you don't write the reason, that is all concept. So because you are studying, while studying you should know why this side and this side are equal. So that concept you should know. Because the aperture is very small of the mirror, that is assumption. So M and P, the point M and the point P will be close. तो मैं M से F measure करूं या P से F measure करूं? Answer is same. Okay. So it means MF and PF are equal now. So now this I will put it as equation number 4. Right? Now, or sorry, 5. Because this I will put 4. Here I will write 5. You can see. Now my dear, right? Now my dear, after doing this much, you can see from 4 and 5 what will happen. From 4 and 5, look at 4, side FM is side FC. And here side FM is side FP. So here I can write from equation 4 and 5, from equation 4 and 5, what I am getting? Look at it. Side FC is equal to side FP. Side FC is equal to side FP. Now from figure, see this one, from figure PFC. You can see PF plus FC is equal to PC. PF plus FC is equal to PC in PFC. Right? So from figure, PFC are collinear. So PF are collinear. So PF plus FC is equal to PC. PF is how much? You can see, let's put it 6. So from equation 6, FC is also FP. So this is PF plus PF is equal to PC. So this is 2PF is equal to PC. That is 2F is equal to R. You can see. Which implies F is equal to R by 2. So I hope it is clear, my dear. This derivation and the two things are very important. The aperture is very small, so that M and P are very close, and therefore the distance from M to F and the distance from P to F will be same. And second thing, I'll repeat, aperture is very small, therefore the distance from, therefore point M and P will be very close, therefore the distance M to F and distance P to F are equal. This is one. Second, angle R and angle alpha are equal. Why angle R and angle alpha are equal? Come on. Why angle R and angle alpha are equal? Because I is equal to R, I is equal to alpha, I is equal to R, I is equal to alpha, therefore R is equal to alpha. Since angle R and angle alpha are equal, uske wajah se, what is the second concept? Angle side MF and side FC are equal. Okay. So my dear, with this, you can get the relation for R and F by using convex mirror. So here I will end with the topic, and tomorrow I will give you a knowledge about the mirror formula in my video. So please, everybody at home, just go on doing these topics which we are uploading to you all for YouTube, and from there make a notes, proper notes. Jai Hind you all. Thank you very much.